Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today at this Be Remembered tutorial. My name is Dan Krikorian and I'm happy to walk you through how to use the Start Your Booking Journey tool. This tool is for anyone who is looking to book but doesn't really know what they need just yet. This is very common for couples to try to figure out if I need a 5-hour package, a 6-hour package. Now, one thing amazing about our system that we'll get into in future videos is that you can upgrade your package at any time. But to start, we're going to go ahead and click Start Your Booking Journey right here. It's going to ask us if we are looking for a proposal or for a wedding. We are looking for a wedding today. I'm going to look for a photographer, and so we'll go ahead and we'll click that there. We can then choose by moments or by hours. If we choose by hours, we can see different options available here. If we choose by moments, we can see different events that we'd like covered through the day. Now, my fiance and I decided that we do need about 6 hours worth of coverage. So we are going to click the 6-hour button here. Then we can go ahead and we can choose our budget. So we'll choose this mid-range package here. And then next we'll find it. It is going to think for just a few seconds, and it's going to find us our 6-hour package and everything that's included in it. It's also going to give us some other options down here between a 5-hour and a 4-hour package. But since I wanted 6, this is perfect. So we will go ahead and we'll add it to our cart, and we can go back and add more services, or we can view our cart right on the side here with our standard photography package. At this time, we will go ahead and choose our vendor. If we don't want to choose our vendor just yet, we want to add some more to cart, we can see all of them in cart. And we can click choose vendor here as well and choose our fictitious wedding date in the future of August 15th. With a start time of 2 p.m. We want to go 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. at this time. Again, you can change that at any time in the future. And we're going to choose p.m. and it will automatically put in our end time here with the 6-hour package. We can then choose our venue right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll choose, let's try in Newport, Rhode Island. If your venue is not in here, you can go ahead and scroll down and add a new venue. We'll choose Ocean Cliff, a very popular one in Newport, Rhode Island. Then we'll go ahead and click to our vendors where we can see all vendors available for that date and that location. We'll check out Danielle McMurdy. We can see profile photos and reviews and select this vendor. At this point, we can go down and complete the booking and start our checkout process. If you guys have any questions about how to choose or use our Start Your Booking tool and then choose your vendor, please let me know. Always happy to go ahead and help. There are more videos on our YouTube channel and coming to our website as well. Thanks so much for joining me.